Danielle Hayashi here with Hayashi Trades. So now I want to talk about VWAP. And what is VWAP? VWAP is the volume weighted average price. It's a good technical analysis indicator. On all of my charts that you see, my VWAP is the magenta purple line. So why is it important? Well, because it's technically speaking, it actually kind of integrates the average trading volume with the average trading price. So it's a really good indicator of a stock's current price strength. So if it goes above, or if it goes below, or if it maintains or regains VWAP, that tells you a lot about the potential for a stock to continue a trend or break downward. Using that with support and resistance can tell you a lot, and it could really make you a more effective trader. So let's take a look here. You could see when it goes above VWAP, it kind of can maintain, hit a resistance, and go below and then stay there. But usually breaking above is a bullish signal, and then of course breaking below is bearish. So let's look at that on a wider time frame. So you see that it broke above here, this crazy top wick, but then it broke below and it stayed there, and then it broke above and it continued up and continued up, broke below, broke below. So it really tells you, like, does the stock have strength right now, or is it weak? We can also try this with, let's say, Tesla. Love Tesla. So Tesla's kind of maintained. It's not being as volatile as SPY, but you can see it has some candles that closed above the VWAP, and then it broke below and it kind of stayed down there for a while. It was able to recover, and then it broke above a little and then went below, and now it's been holding above VWAP, but the volume's really low, of course, because the market's not open, but we will see what happens. So you can see as the day progresses, VWAP kind of tells you, like, where, with the averaging of price and volume, a stock's strength is. Is it a little bit weaker? Is it regaining strength? So when a stock goes below VWAP and it recovers, that's usually a bullish signal. When it's been consolidating or maintaining a price and it breaks below, that's usually a bearish signal. And you can look at this also on larger time frames. So let's zoom in here. It's not as obvious because since it's so technical, it kind of swings wider ranges. But let's go, instead of daily, the 1 hour. You can see that it's actually showing a lot. So it's below, it was bearish, hitting resistances before it even got to VWAP, and then it finally made it above, but then it got rejected really quickly. So there's been a lot of rejections on the 1 hour time frame. So you can see that here as well, it broke below VWAP and it stayed really, really far below for a long time, and then it broke it and it kind of maintained that. It was holding there for a little and stayed there, then was below a little more, and then it finally recovered it with conviction here. So you can use this on any time frame that you like, but I prefer it for shorter time frames because it's really about what's happening within the day, within the hour. But definitely it's a good measure of strength and a good way to practice your fluency in technical analysis. So that's VWAP for you. Hope that this video was helpful. If this was, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.